viewers, welcome to Green Angle. Today's topic is about addition of different units of sound. Okay, now remember that letters are symbols, symbols are syllables. So now in here now we have what they call different unit of sounds which you have to add together. Then you tap the sound to form what one to form a word. Okay, now we have our what now FOR, which is for when you say this is for me, for is equals to fee plus ho. Give you what now for. The next one is what now is nature. In oral English, it is called nature. Okay, so that shows you the word nature, which is ni, he, chi, and what he. Nature. Okay, nature. But in a general language, it's called what now is this nature. That is ho. But the real sound is what here is he. Nature. Maybe now here we have break. Break. Now you have to what now? Put it down in unit and add b, re, he, key, break. Okay. The next one is what now is rock. Rock, re or key. The ck have what? It has a sound, just a sound. Okay, which is re or key. Which they have to give you what now? Rock. You tap it. The next one is what now is trade. Trade. T. Re. He. D. The E here is silent. Okay? Then you add together now. T plus E and re plus A plus D. We give you what now? Trade. Now the next one is what is time. Time. T plus high plus me. Remember the E here is what is silent. Same thing as this over here. Then add all together. That gives you what now? Time. The next one is that. That. D. Ha. T. Then add all together. I give you what now? That. Who. Who. We plus who. What. We plus ho plus t. What. Which. Which. We plus e plus chi. Which. Where. Where. We plus here. Where. H is silent. Why. Why. We plus high. H is silent here. So it is why. Whose. Whose. Who plus who plus z. Z. Give you what now? Whose. Whose. The W is silent. When. We plus a plus ni. Give you what now? When. H here is silent. Tire. Tire, that is the present tense of tired. Okay. Tire. T plus higher. Okay. Tire, that is car tires. This is how you spell it. Tire equals to T plus higher. Higher. Remember again, T plus higher gives you what now? Tire. Hard. Hard. That when you say hard, hardest. That is life is hard. You know. Hard. Ha. Ha. Ha plus ha plus D. Give you what now? Hard. And remember this it is always silent. So it will what now? Respond to the letter or sound in front of it. Okay? Ha. Ha plus D. Give you what now? Hard. Now mighty. Mighty. When you say power mighty, mighty eagle. Okay? Now mighty. Mighty. Me plus high. High plus T plus high. This is what now? Mighty. You see? Now you study what now? All these concepts. These are concepts. High, ha, high here, high here. They are concepts. So you need to what now? Study it in other words as you read. Okay. Now, in conclusion, these are the words: the addition of different units of sounds, and these are the what now? The different units of sounds. When formed together, it gives you a meaning. That's a word. Okay. So please, class, try and what and go through it over and over again. Master this key concept. Okay. Then from there you start to what read and read. As you read, you now come across what now words like this or concept like this. Okay. So please, thanks for viewing. So take care. Till we meet again.